All right, this is really exciting. We get to learn about our first two notes. Now, you might have already played some more notes, but we're really going to learn these first two right now. The first one, you can see, is right here. Right? It is called C. It's the note name C. C for cat, like our first note, C. Awesome. Memorize that. We can also call it note number 1, but the name of it is C. We only use note number 1 just because, we're beginning right now. So you can see on the fingering chart, your thumb is covering the back hole, your first finger's covering this hole, second finger, and your third finger. Remember, you can hold it like this, or you can hold it up here and really push, get those top teeth to really have a lot of connection with the top of the mouthpiece. Or you can hold it like this, which is how we're going to hold it eventually, your correct hand position. I'm going to hold it like this for now. So that first note is C. Got my thumb, 1, 2, 3. That's what we call that. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then we get our embouchure going. Got your cushion. You got your teeth on the top. You wrap around. Push that top lip down. Nice firm chin. Not bunched up. And then you cover all those holes. And you play. Notice I had a little squeak at the beginning. Squeaks happen. I'm just going to try again. See if I can get rid of it. Nope. Took me 3 tries. How many tries did it take you? All right, so sometimes squeaks happen either if there's too much mouthpiece in the mouth, or you're not covering the holes all the way, or you're biting down, or your tongue position isn't high and correct. So let's try it again. The note C, you can play along with me. Does yours sound like mine? I sure hope so. Now, if you're not covering the holes all the way, let's say I had one finger slightly off like that, it would sound like this. See how I'm uncovering my fingers and it's causing some weird sounds? You got to make sure you grip down on those holes. You should see little circles on all those fingers. Look like little Cheerios. Okay? So note number 1. C. Now, let's talk about note number 2. D. And if you look at the picture, you can see that on note number 1, it's below the staff, way down here, and there's a little ledger line through it, right? You haven't really learned much of that maybe yet, but you will. And you look at note number 2, D, it's a little bit higher. It's a little bit higher. It's right under those 5 lines, right under the staff. And you'll hear the sound is higher. If I play first note, C, and I lift my finger up like note number 2, D, thumb 1, 2, then you can hear the sound gets higher. So let's play that together, right? Thumb is down over the hole, first finger, second finger. We call that thumb 1, 2. Let's play the note D. All the while I'm thinking of my embouchure. I'm not puffing my cheeks. I got my chin nice and firm. I got my cushion, teeth on top. Wrap the lips around. Push the top lip down. Nice chin. Notice I'm not sticking my finger way up. I'm just lifting it a little bit. Okay? Let's go back and forth between those notes. That's fun. See how fast you can wiggle that third finger? Those are your first 2 notes, C and D.